Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on exploring the principles of marketing. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. Exploring the principles of marketing. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Well, grab a pen and paper because you're about to learn the secrets to marketing success. First things first, let's define marketing. It's the process of creating an image for your business and connecting with your target audience. It's like a first date. You want to make a good impression and leave them wanting more. Now, let's talk about how to use the principles of marketing in your business. It's like a recipe. You need the right ingredients to make it work. First, you need to know your target audience. It's like dating, you need to know what they like and what they don't like. Second, create a strong brand. It's like a personality, you want to make sure it's consistent and memorable. And lastly, use digital media. It's like a dating app, it's a modern way to connect with your target audience. But, let's not forget the importance of understanding your target audience. It's like a blind date, you need to know who you're going out with. And, the power of creating a strong brand. A strong brand, it's like a first impression, you want to make sure it's a good one. So, now that you know the principles of marketing, it's time to put it into action. Remember, a successful marketing strategy is like a successful relationship, it takes time and effort. But, with the right approach, you'll reach your business goals in no time. Thanks for watching. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out AdCreative.ai. Artificial intelligence powered ad and social creatives. Generate conversion-focused ad creatives and social media posts in a matter of seconds using AdCreative.ai. Link in description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.